Here, especially for you. You are a lucky man. You have a beautiful lady.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Julian San Jose at Raver Cruz, muling nagbahagi ng video sa kani-kanilang social media kung saan makikitang sobrang enjoy ang pagpunta sa lugar sa Israel. Talagang sobrang napakasaya at napakagandang lugar ng kanilang pinupuntahan maliban sa Dead Sea. Umikot din sila sa Jerusalem Old City, Jaffa Gate, Church Nativity Bethlehem, the Holy City Jerusalem at Western Wall Old City Jerusalem. Talagang mapapawaw ka sa ganda ng kanilang pinapasyalan. One day was not enough visit every place, but it was truly a sacred and memorable experience for us in Bethlehem with variety of things to do and see. Still feels surreal. We are truly blessed. Ito ang caption ni Raver sa kanyang ipinost na mga letrato sa kanyang social media kasama ang kasintahang si Julian San Jose.
Everybody saying there's still an area here.
Well, we already eat falafel. We already eat.
Ba't naman si Jelos? Wow, si Mami.
Salsa. Yeah, go. Kurde, pobici.
Here, especially for you. You are a lucky man. You have a beautiful lady.
Thank you, thank you.